Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. I hope everyone is doing great. By the way, I hope you're doing great. Ish, you know what? We have some load shadings, and the power's just going off and on. So hey, it's hectic. It's hectic, but it's fine. That's why I'm just doing this quick analysis so that you can get some updates. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And you know what? If you want to be part of the team, it's easier. Currently, I need a max of 200 people that I can actually teach in one group. And this group is the last group that I'm going to actually offer. It's $45 actually for 3 to 4 months, you see. So I'm going to mentor you. Once I reach certain number, then I will start teaching people. And yeah, after that, we're done. If maybe you want yearly is still there. If you want yearly, is this one here. You can still WhatsApp me because it's yearly. This one at least includes the VIP signals. This one includes VIP signals, and this one it's only a mentorship. It doesn't include some signals. So let's go back to the chart and see what exactly actually is happening on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, it's quite straightforward. We can see that yes, the market is actually on that downtrend, even though the market seems to be trying to recover from this area. But that area is not actually new. It's not actually new because we had a similar area like this before. You see that? We also had similar area like that before. Do you see that? I hope you see that. And the market was consolidating. And even here, you can see that the market is actually consolidating. That's why we say, yes, actually, I'm still bearish. I'll start to go bullish maybe if the market can able to break this area there. I will start to think twice and say, okay, maybe the market is ready to show us something. Then once the market breaks this area, I will say, you know what, now I have confidence that the market will recover. Yes, we know that one way or another, the market might still recover. But currently, we just need to wait for the market to create those structures to break these areas before we start to act. But we're still on that downtrend, which means we have to look for what? For sell positions only. That makes our job way too easier. You see, that makes our job very easy. Guess what? We are on DAX, German 40, German 30. What's really happening here? It's quite easy. You can see that yes, the market is actually on that downtrend. Yes, on Friday we saw the market breaking that area. You can see this area. The market broke out of that, but it seems like the market is coming back aggressively. So we will see. I'm not going to act much on this area, but maybe it might be a retest before maybe pushing to the upside. I will just check that closely because yes, it's possible. As the market closed above that area, I'm expecting maybe a nice retest before the market is going to push up, or maybe the market is ready to go back again and sell off again. That is also possible, but it means that we just need to wait and see if maybe the market will do that or not. So back to the next one, which is gold. Guys, I'm a bit fast because I know watching a longer analysis is not really a nice thing. So I'm just trying to update you here. Don't forget that later on we're going to go live before NASDAQ open, by the way. So we're going to go live. Actually, we go live Monday to Friday if you are new to this channel. But for those who have been here, they already understand. They know that. You see, unless if maybe there will be load shedding, then that is going to be difficult on my side. But I will see what I can do. So now we are on gold. Gold created this nice resistance here. I hope you can see that. The market created this area and they connect nicely. And mostly when the market touches that area, the market pushes lower every time. So even now the market reached that area. I'm expecting to do what? Yes, you thought it right. I'm expecting to have a sell pending there, you see. If the market will go lower like that, then I'm going to have a trade there. Simple as that. We did that even back there. We did it here, there, and also I think even also around that place. around this area, you see. So this is quite simple actually if you follow the structure, or if you follow this type of a strategy that I'm using, because it makes our job way too easier. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break out, but if the market breaks out, we will see that. You see, we will see that, and we will wait for the market to close above that. We will wait for the market to retest and stuff like that before we jump on the market. But currently, I'm still looking for that bearish move. Maybe the market might still go lower. If not, we will see what we can do then. So we are on US oil. Guess what? Things are still these things are still looking very nice here. What I see is, yes, the market was, let me show you something. Some other things, you can see them on a bigger time frame. You see here, this is bigger time frames, 4 hours time frame, and the aim is to show you that yes, the market is slowly pushing to the upside. So the market was playing around this area, and here we had some sort of a wedge move before the market breaks out of that. And guess what? The market did break out of that area. Guess what? Actually, we expecting already we had a buy there, but I don't know if people they got out. But we can still have something like this pushing to the upside. Pushing to the upside, there is a possibility for the market to push to the upside. But even if we say there is a possibility, remember, the market might still consolidate. Some they might say, Kenzo, I see this area here, it seems to be a sort of a resistance. Yes, it's right, you're right. Actually, you can say, if maybe you feel like the market will not break this area, or maybe the market will respect that area, what you can do, you can say, okay, above this area, I will just have my buy pending order. Or you can just wait for the market to break that area before you jump on the market. But our trading method is quite different. You can just follow whatever that you feel like. It's great on your side. But I think the market is going to still push to the upside. The market might still push the upside. So what do we see? We are on US30, US30, US30. What's really happening on US30? On a bigger scale, we see that yes, the market was actually going down. You can see that the market was actually going down, and now we reached the lowest level there, and then the market is trying to recover, and which is great, by the way. So we smashed the market actually last week, and I'm hoping this week we're gonna just repeat the same thing. Why? Because we know that we follow the rules. Actually, what's really happening here is on a 4-hour time frame, you can easily see that yes, we don't really have a proper structure that we can continue buying, or maybe maybe we can just sell. So we don't have that currently. So which means we will end up getting forced to change the time frame and say, okay, let's try to get something on an hour and see if maybe we can get something. So what I see is, I see this area, they show me that, you know what, Kenzo, maybe the market is gonna do something like that. I'm not saying it's already finalized, but it seems like it's something like that. And even if maybe it's gonna be something like that, even if maybe I might be right, I'm not going to trust this type of trend, which is very steep, which means the market can break that easily, because you can see, man, the market just moved from this area to there. So which means the market might still go a bit lower before maybe pushing up, or the opposite might still happen. The market might still push higher from these areas. But remember, on top there, we still have some sort of a resistance, which means when you buy, you should also think about that. When you buy, you should also think about those moves. I'm still bullish, by the way, but I know that on top there is an area that the market has to break before I can say, yeah, now I'm 90% on a bullish move. You see, currently we just smashing and run. We're not holding that much, but maybe the market is about to bounce back. We don't know. Maybe the market it's that time where the market will start to push to the upside. That is also possible. So let's move to the next one, which is NASDAQ 100. So what's really happening? On a 4-hour time frame, you can see that yes, you can see a very nice structure there. But what I know is, yes, this thing was still on a very nice downtrend. You see, it was a bit on a downtrend, but now the market is trying to recover. But that recovery, guys, to be honest, it's aggressive. So which means there is a room for the market to do what? To give us another sell off before maybe the market is gonna push up. You see how steep it is this, and it makes bit sense. You can see that the market created something like this, and now it seems like the market is coming back again. Maybe the market might still push up. Yes, I'm still bullish, by the way, even though that this area is starting to get steep and steep. So the best thing that we can do is, yes, along the way we can just wait for a nice rejection that maybe is gonna go a little bit lower, or maybe the market can still push higher again. I'm expecting maybe the market to give us something like that before maybe pushing up again. But you know what, anything is possible. Anything is possible in the market. We might see maybe the market giving us some nice bullish moves again. Yes, it's possible, but it's very nice, or maybe actually necessary for us to have a better structure that we can use to say we buy, because we don't just have to guess and say, oh, now the market is recovering, we just need to buy. Yes, we can buy and make money even if we guess, but it's not consistent. We need to be consistent in the market. That's all what I want. Actually, you don't have to make $1 million today when you are not consistent, because the next days still, it means that maybe you can lose that, you see. So the best thing that you can do is try to be consistent. Make whatever that you make and add that to your account, and once like you do stuff like that, actually your account will be growing very nicely, and which is something that we really want in the market. So without wasting your time, before the power is gonna go off again, maybe let me try to send this analysis to you. For those who wants to join the team, they already know what to do. We have a special which is 3 months to 4 months. If you want to learn, if you want to get your own signal, if you want to have your own signal in the market and not depend on anyone, yes, you have the opportunity there. Actually, this is limited to 200 people. In the group, I already have enough people, so it means I'm still waiting for other guys to join before we're gonna start with the mentorship. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. If you want to talk to me, you know what to do: WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.